How's it going, guys? HJ here, and I'll be showing you how to weed apart or peel apart your stencils. What's up, guys? Quick video for you. HJ from HJ Artistry. I just want to show you how you can weed out stencils. So I have this weeding tool. It is available on my website. We'll zoom in. Hopefully you can see this. So this is a needle tip. It makes weeding out your design way easier. So this is a weeding tool. This is weed. Don't confuse the two. When you pull apart a stencil, it's called weeding. So I'm just going to do a quick little video on how you can use this weeding tool. It'll make it a lot faster. One thing that I also recommend is have some masking tape or any type of tape. And what you'll do is you'll just place the tape on the side. And when you weed out your design, you'll place it on the tape. It makes it a lot faster. So I have a few different stencils that you can purchase. They might not always be available. Every once in a while I'll get busy and I do close down some orders. I also just had a baby and things are a little bit crazy with mom life. So here I'll go ahead and I'll show you just real quick how this weeding tool makes it a lot easier. So if you do purchase this weed stencil, it is a little bit more difficult to peel apart because if you look, there is a lot of jagged edges, so it's a little bit more difficult. It is pretty small too. This is a little over 1.5 inches or right around that. So to use it, we're just going to carefully pull it. And this is a lot easier than using an X-Acto knife. At least I find it a lot easier than using an X-Acto knife or trying to use my fingers or anything like that. And then once you have it, carefully pull it out. And then what I do with this is I'll just put it on that piece of tape right here. So then I'm not messing around trying to get it off. If you put it on the tape, it comes off way easier. So here is another one. And you'll just peel. I'm not going to peel the whole thing apart because it'll take a while. But carefully peel apart your stencil. And you can always use your hand too. As you can see, I'm using my hand here. And I'm going to use my scissors now just to cut, so then this video doesn't take forever and a year. So, okay, so you can see I did a few. Now, what I really like the best is how quick you can do these little circles. So you can just go right through. I'll zoom in, just how easy it is. You could do it a lot faster than with an X-Acto knife. So you can save time. And it's very precise since it is a very fine point. Now I usually will do a few at a time. You can hold about 3 at a time before then you have to place it on that piece of tape. So a lot faster. And time is money, so the faster that you can do things, the better it is. And I'll go ahead to the dragon. So quick. Let's go with this dude down here. And it really does depend on how tiny your stencil is. You see how when I pulled that up, the eye actually came up with it? Keep that in mind when you do order stencils. If it is really small, this specific dragon isn't actually available. This was for my personal design. but okay. And then you could peel it up with your hand if you'd like. And then I'll go ahead with the weeding tool, because right here it's going to be very difficult to try to peel it up with your hand. Of course, again, you can use an X-Acto knife or something, but I do find that the weeding tool is much easier. And again, this weeding tool is available on my website. And again, I pretty much will use both my hand and the weeding tool to make it faster. But you can see that pretty fast. And then the last one is if you get, now you can get these from almost anywhere. Right now I am not selling the iron-on decals. So there's actually, it reflects, you can't really tell in this light. But with this, I'll just go ahead and I'll just do, well, I'll leave it on here. So we'll see how fast I can remove this. So we'll remove this. And then the tough part is when you do all the little circles of that butterfly. So I'll just cut this out. And then the detailing for that butterfly, using your piece of tape. And this type of heat transfer vinyl, or iron-on vinyl, is not as sticky. The regular vinyl sheets that you get for stencils are a lot stickier, so I always recommend definitely use that piece of tape on the side for the regular vinyl stencils. But again, this just makes it a lot faster too, because sometimes it'll stick to your weeding tool. So you can do it a lot faster, but you understand the gist of this. And then if you don't want to get the weeding tool, totally fine also, but you can just see how you can use, you know, a needle. You might want to use a long needle and do the same exact thing. It's a lot faster when you have that piece of tape on the side just to place it down. A lot faster. So hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. Let me know if you have any questions. And again, if you want to check out my website, hjartistry.com, you can purchase this weeding tool. Thank you guys for watching. Take care. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Go ahead, comment what you'd like to see next. You can ask me questions. I do plan on doing more videos answering your questions specifically. So thank you guys so much for your support. hjartistry.com. Are you still watching my video? Nice. Cyber high five for you. Anyways, since you guys are still here, go ahead, watch all my videos. If none of them help you at all, comment what you'd like to see, because I want to help you guys create more. I want you guys to, you know, have fun customizing your own shoes, your own artwork, maybe even start a business doing customizations. So go ahead, comment what you'd like to see. Maybe I can help you guys out. And thank you so much for your support, and thanks for sticking around.